Ang pangalan ko ay si Mr. Enrico Crisostomo. I am a trader for quite some time.
Magandang gabi. Good evening to everyone. My name is James Henove. I'm actually a trader since 2010.
Hi, I'm Reen Henove. I've been trading for 3 years.
Hi, my name is James and I'm entry level or beginner level dito sa trading.
Ang natutunan ko ngayong gabi ito ay ang pagtitrade ay dapat simple lang. Dapat sundin natin yung robot trading na nirekomenda ni Sir Alex Uy. Very effective.
Gandahan kasi dito, yung tinuturo niya na automated trade. Nasubukan din niya himself, no? So, hindi mo na kailangang magkaroon ng parang ikaw yung mismo magsusubok pa kung okay to or hindi.
I've learned a lot from the training, and especially this is my first time in Forex trading. And yeah, I would recommend the training, especially Alex Uy is already an expert in the field.
Tapos, with our speaker kanina, sobrang helpful sila kasi it gives us knowledge and our weapons against this trading. Kasi kung wala yung mga trading na yun, wala yung mga tools like yung mga your AI robots nila, mahirap talaga mag-trading. Right now, super automated na lahat ng system. So, it really helps too. So, kung meron kayong time, meron kayong capability to splurge for dito sa trading natin, go ahead, come. Kasi in the long run, kapag magsisimula kasi maliit, after 10, 5 years of your trading, magiging milyonaryo ka. Alright.